So, Brother Solomon, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, I want to ask this question. As a Christian and believer entering the campus, that is university, how do we manage Christianity? How do we still be in the faith? How do we be in the faith in this school? Whereby there are a lot of cultures and there are a lot of traditions in the school. So, yes, how do we maintain that faith? Because this school is just like when someone is exposed to the world. Yes, so how do we sustain it?
Okay, thank you for this question that you asked.
Yes.
The truth is that one of the things that helped me so far
Yes.
in this campus is that one,
Yes.
I understand what is called the life of Christ.
Yes.
And that life of Christ I understand is what makes me to walk in the pathway that I'm walking now. When you feel where that is a life everyone wants to live.
Yes.
So if I should live a life of Christ, I'm living it by decision.
Okay.
You get me? So for someone to maintain that life of purity when he enters campus, person must decide to continue in that life that was delivered unto him, or he accepted. And the Bible says again that one thing again that can help a man to stand strong is that he must learn what we call separation.
Separations. Like separation, the sense of
separating from the kind of thing, conversation that will affect your pure life and the life you are called to live.
Okay.
Now, Paul was saying in the book of Romans, Bible said that Paul called to be an apostle of Jesus Christ. He separated himself from the gospel. Did you get me?
Yes.
So there's a place of separation. And in the book of 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 55, if I'm not mistaken, the Bible says that evil communication corrupts good manners. So if you engage yourself in some communication or conversations that is not giving God glory,
or associate
yourself with people, it can affect the pure life and the Christian life you're living. Because we are a Christian of influence.
Yeah,
you get me? So the kind of thing you give yourself to can actually affect your life, can influence your life. So if you have people that doesn't discuss things about the kingdom, it can actually affect you once you begin to mingle with them. And once you begin to mingle with them, your life will be affected. Before you know it, you begin to pass. So that is it.